Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, yesterday I gave you a short introduction about the chapter in EVS. So children, please open the EVS book, that is Nature Learner, to page number 27, chapter number 4, Time to Celebrate. So children, yesterday I told you about festivals and gave you a short introduction about this chapter, that what all things you will study in this chapter. Now today I will read the chapter from the book and then explain you in details from this book. Okay, so listen to the video very carefully. Okay children, now festivals are a time of fun and joy. Festivals are celebrated, or festivals are a time of fun and joy. Okay, people wear new dresses. On every festivals we buy new dresses and we wear new dresses, greet each other. Okay, we greet each other like Happy Holi, Happy Diwali, Eid Mubarak. Okay, and enjoy special dishes. Special dishes are prepared on festivals. In India, we celebrate many festivals. Some of them are religious festivals and some are national festivals. Okay children, I told you before also, in India there are many festivals which are celebrated, and there are three types of festivals, and those festivals are religious festivals, harvest festivals and national festivals. Okay, so coming to religious festivals, we celebrate many religious festivals. We celebrate them with our friends and family members. Okay, religious festivals, we celebrate many religious festivals related to our religion. Okay, we celebrate them with our friends and family members. हम अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स और फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करते हैं फेस्टिवल्स. ओके, लेट अस लर्न अबाउट सम रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी विल लर्न अबाउट रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स. ओके, डिफरेंट रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स. फर्स्ट वन इज दिवाली. दिवाली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. ओके, people decorate their houses with candles and diyas. You all know children, when Diwali festival comes, what you do? On Diwali festival, what you all do? You light candles and diyas outside your house. Okay, and you also put lights. Okay, electric lights. So it is also called the festival of lights. People worship goddess Lakshmi on this day. Now children, on this day which goddess is worshipped? Goddess Lakshmi. Children, let off crackers. As you can see in this picture also, these two children are burning crackers and this girl is lighting up the candles and diyas. Okay, children, let off crackers. People exchange gifts and sweets and prepare special festive dishes. Okay children, now you must have seen, on Diwali many friends and relatives come to your home to give you sweets. Okay, they bring some gifts also, they bring sweets also, and your mother prepares special festive dishes. Okay, some nice dishes are prepared on the festival of Diwali. Is that clear children? Now, why is Diwali celebrated? Do you all know that? Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Ram from 14 years of exile and his victory over the demon king Ravan. हम दिवाली क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? बिकॉज इसमें कहा जाता है कि लॉर्ड राम, भगवान राम 14 इयर्स के बाद फॉरेस्ट से, वनवास से लौट के अपने घर अयोध्या आए थे और उन्होंने उन 14 ईयर्स के अंदर विक्ट्री मतलब जीता था। किसको? रावण को हरा के और खुद जीत के 14 ईयर्स के बाद अपने घर अयोध्या वापस आए थे। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड। नाउ फेस्टिवल ऑफ ईद. Eid is also called Eid ul Fitr. It is celebrated after the holy month of Ramzan. Ramzan is the month of fasting. Now children, you all know that holy month of Ramzan, when you keep fast, okay, and it is a time period of 1 month. 1 month you keep fast, or 20 days or 25 days you keep fast, and then after that the festival of Eid comes, okay, which is also called Eid ul Fitr. On Eid, people wear new dresses and offer prayers, that is namaz, in the mosque. Okay children, they greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Eid, how do we greet on Eid? We greet by saying Eid Mubarak, okay, to our friends and relatives. A sweet dish called sevaiya is prepared on this day. A very famous sweet dish is prepared on Eid, and what is that sweet dish? Sevaiya, okay. This much is clear children. Now turn the next page. Coming to the festival of Christmas. The birthday of Jesus Christ is known as Christmas. You all know children, we celebrate Christmas as the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate their houses with Christmas tree and sing Christmas carols. Now on Christmas, people decorate their houses with Christmas trees. You have seen Christmas trees, okay. They decorate their houses with Christmas tree and also sing Christmas carols. Carols are the hymns which they sing, okay. So Christians go to the church to offer special prayers at midnight. Christians who celebrate Christmas? Christians celebrate Christmas and they go to church to offer some special prayers at midnight. People greet one another saying Merry Christmas. Now, on Eid, we greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak, and on Christmas, we greet each other by saying Merry Christmas. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts and presents for them. आप सबने सुना होगा that Santa Claus. This in this picture you can see a Santa Claus giving gift to a girl, okay. So Santa Claus brings gifts and presents for them, okay children. Now Gurpurab. The birthdays of Sikh gurus are known as Gurpurabs. On the eve of Gurpurab, the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, is taken out in a big procession. Now what is Gurupurab children? It is the birthday of Sikh gurus, and on this eve of Gurpurab, the holy book, that is Guru Granth Sahib, is taken out in a big procession. In the morning of Gurpurab, the Sikhs offer prayers in Gurudwaras and eat from a common kitchen called Guru Ka Langar. Now, in the morning, what do these Sikh people do? In the morning of Gurupurab, the Sikhs offer prayers. Okay, they offer prayers, प्रार्थना करते हैं गुरुद्वारास में. Okay, and eat from a common kitchen called Guru Ka Langar. You must have seen children, whenever you have went to Gurudwara, you must have seen there is a common kitchen, okay, and which is available all the time. You can eat food there whenever you want, okay. So that common kitchen is called Guru Ka Langar. Is that clear children? Now coming to the last religious festival, that is Holi. Holi is celebrated in the last month of the Hindu calendar. Now children, according to Hindu calendar, the month of March. Holi comes in the month of March. You all know that, okay? Now, according to Hindu calendar, that month is the last month. So, it is celebrated in the last month of the Hindu calendar. On Holi, people play with colors. You all know that. You also play Holi with your friends, relatives, okay? And you play with colors. They throw colors and gulal on one another. Children use pichkaris to spray colored water. They sing and dance. Holi is called the festival of colors. As Diwali is called the festival of lights, Holi is also called festival of colors. Here what we do, it is celebrated in the last month of Hindu calendar, and on Holi people play with colors. Children use pichkaris. You all use pichkaris, okay? You all know that what are pichkaris. You use them while playing Holi, and you sing and dance also. Holi is called the festival of colors. Is that clear, children? This much is clear with you all. Now, children, coming to harvest festivals. Now, today we are going to learn only till here. I will give you the next part of harvest festivals and your national festivals in my next video. Is that clear, children? So you have to learn, you have to read the chapter till religious festival Holi. Okay, you will read this at home, and you can see this video again and again, and then you can understand. If there is any problem in pronouncing any word, you can repeat my video, you can see in this video, and you can understand it clearly. Okay, children? Now, with this video, I will be giving you an assignment, and in that assignment, you will get missing letters. So, what you will do, that you will write all the missing letters of this chapter in your EVS notebook. And which EVS notebook? Which is your EVS notebook? 4-line interleaf notebook is your EVS notebook. Okay, children? And also make sure that the previous work should be completed in your notebooks, and you will start this new chapter from new page of your notebook. Is that clear, children? Now, till my next video, I have to leave. So, you complete your work, start learning, and God bless you all, children. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.